The best AirPods and AirPods Pro replacement currently on the market is the JBL Live Pro 2. Compared to its predecessor's $180 asking price, the $150 list price is significantly cheaper. The successor has an improved design, a more durable build, and a longer battery life. The 11mm audio drivers in the JBL Live Pro 2 earbuds have been optimized to provide JBL signature sound. You may also build and tag your own unique sound profiles using their companion app. My favorite aspect of the Live Pro 2 earbuds sound, like with the JBL Live Pro Plus, is how entirely customizable it is. The JBL Live Pro 2 earbuds provide a more sophisticated and reliable noise cancellation than the Pro Plus they are replacing. The function may easily alter based on your unique ear canal shape and the ambient noise levels nearby in real time. This takes a brief test via the app. It can also be manually modified. Only significantly more costly products like the Sony WF-1000XM4 and the Bose Quiet Comfort offer the ideal silence, which is among the best available at their price point. When a call is made, the Pro 2's noise cancelling will immediately stop. Another aspect of the earbuds calling experience that I appreciated was VoiceAware, which lets you choose how loudly you hear yourself speak during conversations. One of the most recent models to include it is the JBL Live Pro 2 earphones, which makes pairing with an Android phone as simple as it gets. You may set up hands-free access to Amazon Alexa, Google Assistant, or any virtual assistant of your choice using the JBL Headphones app. The Live Pro 2 earbuds have an AirPods-like silhouette with short stems. Dubbed sticks by JBL, the latter sit at a slight angle when you wear them. An IPX5 rating ensures they can survive more exposure to sweat and water. The buds are also more durable than any set of Sony and Bose products. The JBL Live Pro 2 earbuds offer a longer battery life than any other competition I have tried. Only by turning off the noise cancelling feature will you get the longest battery life possible. 3 more chargers are stored in their little storage box, allowing you to charge your headphones using the same outlet as your phone. On the other side, it will be cut to just 6 hours if the noise cancelling feature is activated in adaptive mode, which is the most sophisticated setting. The earphone's battery life is comparable to that of larger, more expensive counterparts from Master Dynamic and Sony. With a longer battery life and a stronger grade for water resistance, the JBL Live Pro 2 improves upon an already superb product. These are the best wireless earbuds worth your attention if you're seeking for STEM earbuds that meet all your requirements. Users of Apple Gear should also think of the earbuds as a strong AirPods and AirPods Pro substitute. The JBL product should be taken into consideration unless you often swap connections between an iPhone, an iPad, a MacBook, and an Apple Watch. The AirPods will link to all devices that utilize the same iCloud account. For less money, you'll receive a more vibrant design, a lot greater battery life, and a more durable construction.
I've been dreaming on in my head like I've seen it. A life worth living is a life.
Don't forget to subscribe, like, share. I hope you enjoyed the video. See you in the next video.
Bitterness in my face, work a job every day till your dreams fade away. Like a card, never change. Play the game that we say. I need a break. I'm staying strong, need to move on to be what I want. I'll keep dreaming on. I'm staying